Hey everyone, this is me once again. I'm gonna show you my custom Trackmaster Thomas trains. Well, it's only one. And here is my new Tommy's Rush Trackmaster Henrietta. As you can see, I added a face to her. Yeah, that's right, it's a season 18 face. You can see she gained it starting with Signals Cross. As it was also stated, she did have a face to begin with, if according to the Railway Series book, which was written by none other than the legendary Wilbur Aldry himself. May he rest in peace. As you can see, I found a pro image of Henrietta in a CGI style, copied and pasted it on paint. We shrinked it a bit, then used paint that was the same color to color up the bars that was on the bottom of her face, then print it out, then use some scissors to cut out the face, then use a glue stick to glue it on. Now Henrietta has her own face. And as for the remake of Edward Gordon, let me start over. Edward Gordon and Henry, also known as Henry to the Rescue. It's not finished yet, but it's going to come out real soon. I still have to deal with school and life and all that. And by the way, this was my custom-made Trackmaster Thomas train, which was only one. By the way, thanks for all watching, and this is me signing off, and goodbye!